All right, so we're on a map and you can move it around. You can zoom in and zoom out by clicking this, just like you would on Google Maps, or even scrolling in and out. But then we've added a couple nice little things here. When you scroll to the very, very top of your list, you're always going to have the record you clicked from, the one you clicked to say, map it. That's always going to be at the top. That's always A. It's always number 1. Now, leads are orange. Accounts are blue and contacts are purple, just like within Salesforce. Now I can click on the name here and it's going to pop open the bubble, and that's going to allow me to either directly open a record right from there so I can see the record, or directly pop open that address in a full-on Google Map page to do other things with as I like. Also, we can do things like click on a particular location and click this plus. And what that's going to do is actually open up Street View for that particular address. So now I know what Patricia's office looks like before I go down there. But okay, so I want to go visit Patricia. I can drag and drop her onto the right-hand side for driving directions. Now that is unfortunately not available in Internet Explorer. So you won't be able to get your driving directions if you're using Internet Explorer as your browser. I recommend Firefox or Chrome or Safari for full performance on this app. But we're going to see Patricia. We're going to stop by at Iman's location. And as you can see, if I scroll down here, that the entire map has now updated to show you those driving directions. And who are these guys? Oh, that's Gene Point. So let's go visit Gene Point as well. And now you can again see the driving directions from Patricia to Iman to Gene Point. Well, let's move these around. I can move Patricia around, and you can see that the address and the directions update within real time. Now, if I'm going to go visit these three accounts, I may want to click on this little plus right by their name, and it gets bigger when you hover over it. And what that'll do for me is open up a brand new tab that'll let me create an actual calendar item within Salesforce tied directly to that record. So now I can keep track of that event that I'm going to go on site right within that record. So right in the middle, we've got the records, we've got all the items that are going to be listed, and we've got the places I'm going to go. And if I want step-by-step driving directions, I can click this Get the Details link at the bottom of the page. When you click that, it's going to take you into Google Maps, and if Google has any questions around how to tighten up your addresses, it'll do that. But here we go, from A to B to C, and you can print these out, you can send them via email, and Google Maps has a very nice feature that you can actually push addresses right into your GPS right from Google Maps. It's not Salesforce functionality, it's just great Google Maps stuff. At the top here, we have our filters. Do you want accounts at all? Are we interested in accounts? If not, let's filter them out. And we run this filter, and the very next time we go, we're missing all the blue pins. We just have the orange and the purple. Do I care about my records or any other records I'm allowed to see within here as well? We can filter by industry, by status, by account type, and by distance. These are all things that we allow you to do, and if you don't really want to see the filter anymore, it's okay. You can just hide it right there at the top. So that was one use case from show me everybody near the Iman record. I want to go drive around while I'm nearby or know who's close. Well, what if there's the time where you just want to see all the leads that are doctors, all the leads that are in a particular status, all the accounts that are partners, well, whatever those criteria may be. Make your own list view, right? Make your own views, whatever you want them to be that has that criteria, that really complex filtering you care about. And then checkbox the ones you want to see. And when you're ready to view them, click Map Leads. What it's going to do is automatically just show you all the leads that have been located. If they haven't been located, they won't show up on the map. So you need to make sure that you're at least finding located ones, or that we can't show them to you. Also, the filter goes away because you've already filtered on the list view. So you've got your records, and it works just the same. If I want to go all the way from Sandra out in Washington, D.C., all the way down to someone in Carlsbad, California, that's it. The driving directions still work, everything is still the same, and I can still scroll down and get the details of my trip right from here. In a nutshell, that's Find Nearby Accounts, and I hope that you and your organization are able to find this very helpful. Thank you.